Okay, good morning. 10th B, Geometry chapter number 2. Some very important and repeated question that we will solve on board. So, question number 5. Find the length of the side and a parameter of an equilateral triangle whose height is given. This is equilateral triangle whose height is given root 3 centimeter. So height is equal to root 3 centimeter. Triangle ABC is equilateral triangle. Therefore, height is equal to side into root 3 by 2 because it is equilateral, so it is opposite to 60. So height is given root 3 by 1, side root 3 by 2, root 3 cancel, cross product. So S is equal to 2 centimeter. From height formula we got this side, and from side we will get parameter. Parameter is equal to 3 into side, 3 into 2. Now area of triangle, equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4, side square. Root 3 by 4, side is 6 centimeter. So 2 times half. 3 3s are 9, root 3. There is a formula. 3 formulas are there for equilateral triangle. Correct? Three formulas are there for equilateral triangle. That height is equal to side into root 3 by 2 because it is opposite of 60. So height is given, we can find out the side. From side only there are 3 formulas. From side also h is equal to s by s root 3 by 2. Parameter 3 times side, 1 2 3. 1 2 3 sides. Then equilateral triangle area is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. Or if you got base means the side, and if you got the height, from that also half into height into base. How? See, side you got 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. And height is this. So side is 6 centimeter. Height is root 3 centimeter. So area is equal to half into height into base. So half into height root 3, base 6, so half of. So it is 3 root 3 centimeter square. So like that also you can do. Half what is coming? Parameter, no, it is not parameter, it is side is equal to 2 centimeter. So this is 2 centimeter. Half into height into base. So only root 3 is coming. Wait. height is equal to side into root 3 by 2, that is correct, and height is given. Okay, this cancels, side is equal to 2 only, side is equal to 2, that is why it is not matching, sorry. Side is equal to 2 and this is 4, so this cut, so only root 3 centimeter square. I have taken this. Okay, so this cancel, so root 3 centimeter square. See the area, now both are equal. Area is equal to half into height into base, and area is equal to root 3 by 4 side square. So root 3 by 4 side into side. By mistake I have taken 6 instead of 2. So side is 2. So it is 2, 2, 2. So total is 6 parameter. And height is root 3. Root 3 into 2 into half. So only root 3. So height is root 3 centimeter. Area is root 3 centimeter square. Correct? Side is 2. Diagram is given like that. Whose mic is on? So AP is median on ABC. AP is on BC. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem, left square, right square is equal to 2 of AP square plus 2 of PB square. Any one side you can take. This much is given 260. AP we have to find. PB is not given, total is given 18. So both are 9, 9. Median. So it is 2, 9 square. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. So it is 130 AP square, 9 square. Who is taking in between? 9 9s are 81 AP square. So 90 plus 30, 49 AP square. 7 square is equal to AP square. AP is equal to so the question is for AP and AP is 7. Equilateral triangle, again it is given. ABC. PC is 1/3 of so that is 1/3. PC is 1/3 of BC. And AB is equal to 6. This is also 6. This total also 6. And PC is 1/3 So PC is equal to 1/3 of 6 is equal to 2. This is 2. Find AP. What happened? Video is not clear. Dax, it is okay or not okay? Okay. Then Bilal, wait for 10 seconds. Automatically the frequency will be stable and you can see. Now draw perpendicular, that is O. So BO is equal to OC is equal to BC half. So 6 half, it is 3. So OC is equal to 3. PC is equal to 2. So OP is equal to OC minus PC. 3 minus 2, it is 1. So this much is 1. Now height, OP is height. OA is equal to height. OA is equal to root 3 by 2 of side, means 6. So it is 3 root 3. So this is 3 root 3. Suppose it is X. So in AOP, right angle triangle, AP square, AO square, OP square, OP AO 3 root 3 square plus 1 square. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. Root 28 means 4 3s are 7 4s are. So 7 4s are. So it is 2 root 7 centimeter. Correct? Some connection issues are there. Here also frequencies vibrating. Wait. Now it is highest frequency. Thus it is okay with that. From frequency is very fluctual. Sometime maximum, sometime it decrease up to 50% and like that. I've arranged everything. Okay, whenever I furnish the fill on board, at that time you have to at least take screenshot, because at present you are not writing. So it is better to take the screenshot. And also you are not opening my video, because in there also I can see how much people have opened my video from YouTube. So for you people I am recording, for you people I am uploading that video on YouTube, and you are not taking benefit of it. Rest of the student outsider are taking the benefit, but I am working for you people only. Now 2 3 very important question that they have asked multiple time, especially 8. Now 3 example I am going to solve, that is very important. This is A, this is A, this is A, this is A, and this is A. P, M, N, Q, R. To prove that Pn is equal to Pm A root 3. Listen, dear student. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides are there. Among 7, 5 are A, and A. This is question, this is question. Both we have to prove A root 3. Understood? Now, very systematic answer you have to write. See, in this triangle, I take this triangle. This is A, this is A, so the Q is a midpoint. Therefore, in triangle PMR, PQ is median on MR. See, same steps we will write here. So PM square plus PR square, Apollonius theorem, 2PQ square, 2MQ square. Square of this plus square of this is equal to 2 square of this, 2 square of this. Any one base you can take because both are equal. So PM we have to find out, PM. Rest of all are A square. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So PM is equal to A root 3. Done? Exactly second. Exactly second. Now this triangle, this triangle. 3 triangle are given, no? Left 2 triangle I have taken. Now right 2 triangle I am taking. In triangle PQN, PR is median on QN. Again PN square plus PQ square, 2 PR square plus RN square, 2 RN square. This is not given. Rest of are A square. 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1. So now both are equal. Both are equal. Hence it is proved that both are A root 3. Understood? Now one very important 13. ABCD given DB 3CD to prove that 2AB square 2AC square why today very less students are there? हाँ say hello your voice is not clear बच्चा हाँ say my voice is clear Daksh, my voice is clear. So why I can't hear Prachi? Means there are the same problem like the textbook. So whichever I have explained, no, that same you have to write, beta. Sums are not different. Given to prove same. Daksh, video बराबर बेटा video is clear because 2-3 students are facing problem. Very sorry beta, you can yes notebook also and workbook also every day I am telling. DB is 3CD. Let CD is equal to X. Try to understand. This is X. BD is 3 times CD. BD is 3 times CD means 3 times X. So BC is equal to CD plus DB is equal to X plus 3X is equal to 4X. This I have considered as X. This is 3 times of that. That's why it is 3X. So X plus 3X 4X. This much should be clear in your mind. Again I am explaining. This much X I have considered. They have given this, if it is 5, this is 3 times 15. If it is 10, this is 3 times 30. So 1 time X, 3 times X, total 4X. Just clear this 3 things. This proof will be very easy. Even in the textbook, even in the digest, they have given very hard solution. So this I am giving very easy. This is X consider. This is 3 times. So 3X. 3X plus X, that is 4X. Now we will write as per our requirement. Our requirement is AB. So in this triangle, in right angle triangle ABD, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. I want this. I want this. I don't want AD square. So AD square I will convert this side. So AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square, Pythagoras. So this is AC square minus CD square. So AB square. What is AC? AC we want. Sujal Kadam. Where are you? You are out. I think you are not at home. Because I am hearing vehicles and crowds voice and all. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being at home, Nalayak. CD is equal to x square. Good, beta. BD is equal to 3x total square. So I want AB and AC, so I have not replaced. So AB square, AC square minus x square plus 9x square. 9x square minus 1x square is equal to 8x square. Correct. Now I want 2. So I will multiply all by 2. So 2AB square, 2AC square plus 8 to the 16x square. 2AB square I want, 2AC square I want. I will write 4x total square. 4 for the 16. X square, correct? Again my frequency is down. This is 4 for the 16, x square, so x overall square. Now 4x is equal to BC, that we know. 4x is equal to BC, so it is BC square. So that we want. See how easily we can substitute. So this method with x, this is a super method. If you will substitute in that segment wise, it will be quite long and difficult to understand, and even steps will increase. So this x method is the best. This much is x, this much is, it is 3 times, so 3x. 3x plus x total is 4x. And that at the end I have to resubstitute. If BC is equal to 4x, so 4x is equal to BC. Like that. In sum number 15, no, it is incomplete. So you just add in figure number 2.34 that DC is equal to 7. Okay. Now put on us again. PM is medium of PQR. PQR PM.
PQ40, PR42, PM29, AM, AB22, AC34, BC is 24, so this is 12, this is 12, this is X, this is X, this is X. How to complete this? Okay, in triangle PQR, PM is median on QI. Here, in triangle ABC, AM is median on BC. Therefore, QM is equal to MR is equal to QR by 2. Here, BM is equal to CM is equal to BC by 2. So here I am considering X is equal to QR by 2. So QR is equal to 2X. Here BM CM 24 by 2, it is 12. So how you got this 12? How you got this XX?
Now by Apollonius theorem, directly write down the formula, substitute and find out the answer.
So by Apollonius theorem, left side square, right side square, PQ square, PR square, 2PM square, 2QM square, left side square, right side square, 2 median square, 2 any one part, 40 square, 2 PM, 229 square plus 2 times QM, 22 square, 34 square, 2x square, 212 square. 40 40s are 4 for the 16, so 1600 plus 42 square means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 1764, 29 square. It correct. So 2 times plus 2 times divide by 2 all, so it will be 800. This is 82 divide by 2, 841 plus x square. Now add it. 1682 minus 841 is equal to x square. 800 will, okay, so 8, this is 41 again. And you got 841 is equal to x squared. So this is 29 square is equal to x. So x is equal to 29. But we don't want x. We want QR is equal to double of x, so 2 of 29, 30 less 1, 60 less 2, 58. Like that you have to do the calculation. No need to mug up the table. 22 square, 2 to the 4, 1 cross, 2 to the 4 to the 8, double cross, 2 to the 4. So this is 484 plus 34 square, 4 4 is the 16, 1 cross, 4 is the 12 to the 24, double cross, 3 3 is the 9, single cross. You do by any method, this is my method, single cross, double cross when the digits are increased. So 2x square, 2 times 12, 144, half, 242. Correct? X square plus 144. Total, this 0, 12, 8 minus 144, that is x square. So 820 minus 144, so 676. Something went wrong in this. Correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. Eight to 0 minus 144. Square root of this 26 is not possible. Six, 7, 6, 6, 26. So x is equal to 26. So here we want so 26. Here we want so 29. 29, but the total is 50. So like that, Apollonius theorem, Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 30, opposite to 60, opposite to 45. These are the main point of this calculation part of this chapter. Whatever your problem, this is the last lecture of 10th standard in my group. So rest of 3 days you don't have my math science lecture. So in that time you do the practice, write a workbook every day you have to write. See, at the end they will demand full book, so it will be difficult to complete within 1 week or 2-3 days. So do every day little work. So, and whatever the difficulty you are facing, very easy way to convey me, send the message, send your question. Definitely within very short time I will reply. Okay, whatever the question you can ask. Thank you. Today very less
from 36 directly it is 26. Okay, send me the message and attendance.